In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable search suggestions in Google Chrome. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to simplify your browsing experience and make your searches more private. We all appreciate a streamlined interface, and sometimes those constant suggestions can become a little too much. Well, I'm here to guide you step by step on how to manage this feature and turn it off with ease. First, let's open up your Google Chrome browser and navigate to google.com. This is your starting point because the settings we're going to adjust are accessible directly from the Google homepage. Once you're there, glance towards the bottom right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the settings, you'll notice a menu pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select Search Settings. It's right there, easy to find, and it's what will lead you to the adjustments we are looking to make. Clicking this will bring up a whole new page full of customization options for your search experience. Now, once you're on the Search Settings page, look for the section titled Other Settings. This may involve scrolling down just a little bit, but it's there, and you'll see it soon enough. Click on Other Settings. Here, you will see an option labeled Autocomplete with Trending Searches. This is where Google tries to predict what you might be searching for based on what other people are searching for. It can be useful sometimes, but also a bit intrusive if you'd rather not have those suggestions. Here, you're going to select the option, Do Not Show Popular Searches. By choosing this, you're effectively disabling those automatic suggestions that pop up in the search bar as you type, which can help you maintain your focus and keep your searches clear and straightforward. Remember, if at any point you wish to revert back to receiving those suggestions, you can simply follow these steps again and choose the previous option. The flexibility is there whenever you need it. Following these steps should help you achieve a more personalized and uncluttered browsing experience. It can be incredibly refreshing to search on your terms and at your own pace without any added distractions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to take control of your browser's settings. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.